After you click the link, you just have to connect to your X account. You have to connect to your X account. So after I connect X account, you just have to be patient. It takes about 5 minutes or more for it to load up. Just need your patience. So I'll be pausing this video when it loads finish. We'll continue it. Okay guys, you can see it has look guys, you can see it has load up. So now it's load up, just have to be patient. But before it loads, when you click on the link to brought you to the site, the first thing to ask you to do is to connect to desktop. And to switch to desktop, sorry, you have to switch to your desktop view if you're using a phone. But if you're using a system, you don't have to use any desktop view. So after switching to desktop view, it will ask you to connect to your X account. Because that is the mode or the method by which you have to sign up or sign in into your account is through your X. You have to use your X account. Then to go to here, then the first thing you have to do is to start or activate your mining. You can see mine have activated it already. So you just have to click yours. It won't be activated. You just have to click here to activate it. Then after doing that, you come to this place, you come to daily reward. You can see it here. You click on daily reward. As you go to here, then you claim your daily reward. You can see mine, I've claimed mine already. So daily reward, you come here every day to claim your daily reward. As you come here every day to claim your daily reward, you also come daily to start your mining. So you can see it has so many daily rewards. So you come to claim your daily reward to get all these exclusive rewards which is listed here. So you go back. You can also invite people in this airdrop. So and also you can see your balance. This is where all your balance should. So and also you can the music, if you check now, the music is playing, the sound which the site it have is playing. So you can just stop the sound and you can start the sound. So this is all you have to know for B2. You just only need your daily interaction. And also you can invite people into it. You can invite people into it. Each of the invite get a reward of 30 bytes. You can invite people into this. So thank you.